How to change WhatsApp theme on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change WhatsApp theme on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. Make sure the WhatsApp that you're using is up to date to its latest version. After you've done that, head over to the settings on the bottom right. After you've done that, head over to chat section, tap on chats, and there you can see default chat theme. Tap on default chat theme and you can see a lot of different themes available. From here, you can select whichever you like. Let me just select this one. Then tap on set on the top right and confirm it. And you can also customize it with a wallpaper and a chat color. So if you don't like it, you can change it again by selecting something else. You can see how it looks at night mode. You can see by changing the darkness and the brightness. You can see you can remove the patterns from the back, and yeah, that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.